Hi everybody, my name is Danielle Davis and this is my Capstone project, Discovery Kits at the Camp Pendleton Libraries. Before I dive into my project, I want to give a little bit of context. Marine Corps Base Camp Pendleton serves as the parent organization where my project took place. This is the largest military installation, a Marine Corps installation at least, on the west coast of California, located in San Diego County. And as for the library system, the Camp Pendleton Libraries operates as a 4-branch system with 3 stationary branches and 1 bookmobile. We also call it CPL for short. And then to move on to the sponsors. So the Camp Pendleton Library Program Director, April Stone, and the cataloging librarian, Mark Harrison, both helped to guide me and help me through my project's progression. And then moving on to the CPL community. So our community is composed of active duty personnel, veterans, their families, and then civilians working on base. So it's a very diverse community of people who come from all over the globe. And then many base residents and base patrons use library resources, but I will say that not all library resources actually attend to specific populations' needs. And that's where my project comes into play. And so here is the target community. So homeschoolers. Homeschoolers, like a lot of military members, must often uproot themselves and move to new military installations. And with that comes navigating new base resources, services, and even the terrain or landscape. Typically, these families operate with a very tight budget, but I will say that different from the civilian world, rank determines their income. So if you are lower enlisted, you will make less money or have a lower income than somebody who's higher enlisted or an officer. And that, in my mind, determines access. And so often these families as well have a single parent who's teaching. So there's a lot of boundaries and restrictions and strains on the quality of their educational experience. And so this is where the library can step in. And here arises the problem. So when I first started working for CPL in 2018, I put out a homeschool survey under the guidance of a librarian. And the results of this survey highlighted a problem that base homeschool families needed access to educational resources beyond just books housed in our collections. And so the solution to this problem in my mind was a Realia-based collection called Discovery Kits. And so what is a discovery kit, or what are discovery kits? It's a special collection of learning resources that are theme or Realia-based materials. They provide interactive items like books, games, toys, and other objects, and they incite exploration and discovery of the world around you. They provide engaging learning opportunities for all ages as well. And then here's the scope of the age groups. So we have DK Easy for ages 0 to 6, DK Junior for ages 7 to 11, DK Teen for 12 to 17, and then DK Adult for ages 18 plus. Each kit has a single theme that's articulated through the resources found therein. So the books, the games, the objects that are found. These are all meant to empower the patron to explore, learn, and discover whatever is inside. And this particular astronomy kit can be paired with library telescopes that they can check out as well. And so creating this collection required quite a bit of work and quite a range of skills. So everything from collection development to original cataloging, library marketing, visual merchandising, leadership skills to train staff. The scope of my work was very wide, and it included producing 60 discovery kits that were arranged by theme and age. I redesigned a magazine display at the main CPL branch. I reappropriated it to be a kit display. And then for my digital components, I address policies and procedures, the original cataloging, and then the library marketing or branding for the DK kits was helped to create one enduring collection. And then as for staff, I train staff individually, and then I also train staff at 2 branch-wide library meetings or staff meetings. And then now to address the benefits. So discovery kits help to remove financial barriers in my mind. They help to increase access to new technology. They help to alleviate burdens associated with moving, like what I mentioned earlier. They help to expand CPL's current Realia collection, and they help to incite exploration. And I will say that homeschoolers act as the most engaged library patrons. And so it's really, they deserve to have access to resources that help them be successful in their educational endeavors. And that's what I hope this does. And then here's a video of my entire collection. Thanks for watching, everybody.